How to download non-copyright songs on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for NCS songs. Now tap on the search button you see there and then tap on the very first link you see there, that is ncs.io. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the search journers option you see there and then go ahead and select the genre of the song that you are looking forward to download. You will then be able to view a bunch of songs available there. Simply tap on any of the song that you want to download and you will see the option for download track. Tap on the download track option you see there and in the confirmation that appears, tap on download again. Once downloaded, your downloads will be saved to your files. So simply go ahead and open the files on your application and you will see the option for downloads there. So go ahead and tap on the downloads option you see there and in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view the songs that you just downloaded. So this was about how you can download non-copyright songs on iPhone. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.